What time is it? Time to Time to install some smoke detectors, alarms. And I've got, boy, I got my work cut out for me. I got 4, 5 smoke alarms and actually a 6th one. This 6th one is a combination smoke alarm, detects smoke and carbon monoxide. I'm going to put that one in the hallway. And all these other ones are standard ones per se. It's a standard one being that it's a regular smoke alarm, but the good thing about this, it's also hardwired. You look for 120 volt hardwired, and you also see a little wire nut on here. And the thing I like about this, 10-year life battery backup. I'm never gonna have to install any 9-volt batteries again on these particular smoke alarms. And if you have smoke alarms that are 10 years old or more, you should think about replacing them, and I would go with something like this. So look on yours, if they're hardwired, this is what you want. Look for the wire nut, like that, and it also says 120 volt hardwired. Okay? This is the bomb. It costs a little bit more than the standard smoke alarm with the 9-volt batteries, but well worth it because I'm never going to have to change anything. You don't have to get up there. You don't have to replace them every 6 months to a year on the 9-volt batteries. And over the lifespan expectancy of these, which is 10 years, you're going to save the additional cost for all the aggro. Here's your 10-year label, a 10-year battery. Okay, that's what you want to see. 10-year battery backup, never needs replacing. Over the life expectancy of that, 10 years, you'll save from the time, from the worry, from having to get up there in the middle of the night because it's chirping and you got to get the ladder out because it's up higher than 8 feet. And somebody is nudging you in bed saying, get up, get up, get up. Stop that chirping or what have you. And you're just not going to have to worry about that anymore. Yes, this is about one of the last things I have to do on Motha's list. And I don't know why I've been putting it off. I've been doing all the other stuff for it because I knew this was going to take a while. I've got to get the tall ladder out because see, these ceilings are up high. These 10-foot ceilings. This ceiling up here is higher. Luckily, there's no smoke alarm in there. But see, this main front entrance ceiling is up, oh, I don't know, 12, 13 feet. That's why I've got to get that big old tall ladder out. But I'm going to start in here in the office area. And the first thing I'm going to do before I do anything, see, you look at this and see that green light? I'm going to turn the electrical breaker off inside the sub panel till I know that green light is off, because then that should mean that one circuit is probably connected to all of the different smoke alarms. And I got, like I say, 6 different smoke alarms here to do. And I can do them hot wired. Then you got to do one wire nut at a time. Hold your mouth just right. Hope that you don't get shocked and all that. But the safest thing to do is turn your breaker off. Okay? Don't forget. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.